Good afternoon. Ngayon po ay November 19, 2023 Sunday. At ito po ang mga resulta ng 2 PM Digit Games na 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto. 2D Lotto 2 PM result ngayong November 19, 2023 Sunday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numero na lumabas para sa 2D Lotto 2 PM. 3D Lotto 2 PM result ngayong Sunday, November 19, 2023. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na number na lumabas para sa 3D Lotto 2 PM. 'See you again later for 5 PM result of 2D Lotto and 3D Lotto for November 19, 2023, Sunday. Tonight's jackpot estimates of Ultra Lotto 658 is 137 million pesos and Super Lotto 649 estimated jackpot price is 152 million pesos for Sunday, November 19, 2023. Thank you for watching this 2 PM video for afternoon of November 19, 2023, Sunday. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more Lotto result update.